If you're wondering this beautiful place, where is it? It's in Navi Mumbai, and this is Ikea. It's a Swedish brand which is newly opened in Navi Mumbai. I think right now it's like 1 year old. Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog you will see something very interesting, very exciting and something very huge. By seeing the thumbnail you must have already guessed it right. Yes, I'm talking about the Swedish brand called Ikea, and I'm so excited to show you like what the things I've explored myself over there so that I can save your time while going over there. And I have gone to the one which is in Navi Mumbai. In India, Ikea is only in 2 states. The first one is in Hyderabad, and then there are 2 in Mumbai. One is in Worli and the second one is in Navi Mumbai. So the Worli one is not a huge one, but the Navi Mumbai one, it's really very big. The way Ikea has planned this project is really remarkable. As you enter Ikea, you get the access to a very big parking lot. So remember, where did you park it? Because I forgot where I parked my vehicle. So Ikea checks your temperature and also the vaccination certificate, which is mandatory, boss. No vaccination, no certificate, no entry. Welcome to Ikea. Oh, okay, what's this?
Break.
Oh, okay. It's nice, yeah.
It looks like
Centerpiece. Looks like a cockroach. This is planet. This is sun. No, this is Jupiter. This is Mercury. That's Earth. Yeah, that's Earth. So here are a few steps that will save you some time and efforts. So on the first floor, you will get to see the showroom, the furniture exhibition floor. On this floor, you will find different display samples where you can gauge what a finished product would look like, or you can also feel and test the products by sitting on it, and also you can get some decor inspiration as well. Now once you like the product, make sure you click photos both of the white and of the red label so that you can easily find the product on the ground floor, also known as the marketplace or the self-serve area.
Then they have the bedroom.
I'll go to the bedroom. There's a bedroom, there's a study room, everything. There's a hall also.
I want to sit.
So sit. You want coffee or what? I can make for you coffee.
I think they have a coffee made.
Yes, there's a coffee, there's everything over here. There's also a dishwasher, I guess. Wow. Dishwasher.
Then they
Literally
have an
everything
oven.
you get. Oh yeah. My father wanted this. Papa, see.
Can get in.
Yeah. Now on the second floor, where you can call as a marketplace, where you can pick up any products and buy from. Like there is kitchenwares, garden items, crockeries, beddings, rugs and everything you can think about.
Kitchen floor is 349, this is 200. So total is 549.
See, they have all the price
This is
list.
made in Sweden.
Yeah, they have all the things detailedly mentioned over here. So if you all want to come and just see what it is, what fabric, what dimension and all, it's perfectly mentioned in each and every items. Let's sit here. Tired of walking and walking and walking and walking. बहुत ही चलना पड़ता है यार इधर. Finally, on the ground floor is a very important place. If you remember, I had told you about the white and the red tags. Yes, all the big furnitures you will find it over here, which looks like a go down, and also the dismantled parts where you can manually fix it later on after purchasing it in Ikea. It is all on the ground floor. Finally, from all the traveling and looking around this place, we wanted to grab a coffee. Sparkling malted. Enjoy your meal in Swedish. So this is the food court. Yes. Okay, one for you, one for me tray. Right?
Really?
No, only one. I'm just kidding. Options तो बहुत है इधर. बहुत सारे options हैं. You just come here. It's so tempting to have all these things. Ready-made cappuccino ready for us. Like they have options: cappuccino, latte, tea, black coffee, espresso, hot water. So it's done. Everything's automatic. There you go, madam. We only planned for the coffee, but look what has come: a cake, a cookie, a croissant, and nuggets. So Marushka, how do you feel about this place? Was it worth coming here? What's the experience?
It was good. I just feel it's too big, you know. So you have something comfortable shoes, and yeah, I think the stuff was also good.
Wear good shoes. Wear good shoes so that you won't get any shoe bites. That's the tip from my side. And also, make sure what you have to come here well planned. You should know what you have to buy or not to buy. So yeah. Yes. It's not a brand deal basically. I really enjoyed this place and I would recommend you to also go and explore this place, especially for the young couples who have got married. It's the best place for them to have innovative ideas. And also I've seen the staff is very young. You can say like my age, around the age of 20 to 30. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. And also hit the bell icon because you'll be notified whenever I'll be live on YouTube. And yes, just support me, help me. You guys are there. I'm seeing each and everybody's comment. I really like them. Till then, stay humble, chase your dreams. I'm signing off. Boom.
Sorry. Oh, they have bags of
Yeah.
t-shirts भी H&M का. Wow.